Today, we are breaking down how to glow up financially. And let me just say, getting your money right is not about being rich, sis. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hey ladies, welcome back to another video in my series, Glow and Thrive for 2025. So let's talk about coins, money, the bag, whatever you call it. We need it, we love it, and sometimes it feels like it loves to play hide and seek with us. But 2025, oh, we're done playing games. This is the year we're gonna get intentional with our finances. Whether you're saving for a dream home, paying off debt, or just trying to make sure your account is not screaming insufficient funds before payday, I've got you, sis. Today, we are breaking down how to glow up financially. And let me just say, getting your money right is not about being rich, sis. It's about freedom, okay? The freedom to make choices, to live comfortably, and to know that if something happens, you've got yourself covered. So grab a notebook and pen because we're getting into some real talk. So first things first, we need to know where we stand, right? I know this part can be uncomfortable. Trust me, I have been there, still there. But avoiding finances isn't the move, okay? Ignoring the problem does not make it go away. It just makes it worse. So here's what I want you to do. Pull up your last 3 months of bank statements. Go line by line and categorize your spending. How much are you spending on essentials like rent, utilities, and groceries? How much is going to fun stuff like eating out or shopping? And how much is just unaccounted for? And let's talk about those sneaky subscriptions. Do you really need 3 streaming services? And that free trial you signed up for years ago, yeah, it's not free anymore, right? Cancel anything you're not actively using. That $9.99 may not seem like a lot, but over time it adds up. Now, be honest with yourself during this process. No shame, no guilt, just facts. This is your starting point, and from here we build. Okay. Now that we know where we stand, let's talk about where we're going. Goals are the roadmap for your money. Without them, you're just out here spending and hoping for the best. When setting financial goals, be specific. Instead of saying, I want to save money, say, I want to save $5,000 for an emergency fund by the end of the year. That's clear, measurable, and gives you something to work toward. Then you want to break big goals into smaller ones. For example, if your goal is to save $1,200 in 6 months, that's $200 a month. Or $50 a week. See how that feels more achievable? It's all about taking baby steps, sis. Rome was not built in a day, and neither is a solid bank account. Now, this is the part where a lot of people get scared. But hear me out. The best investment you'll ever make is in you. Whether it's taking a course to level up your skills, starting a side hustle, or even investing in therapy to improve your mindset. It's worth it. So for example, if you've always wanted to start a business, take that first step. Buy the domain name, watch free tutorials online. Start small, but start. Because scared money don't make money, sis. And if you're not investing in yourself, who will? And lastly, let's talk about giving. And I know some of y'all like, sis, I'm trying to get my money up, not give it away. But trust me, there is something magical about giving, even when it's just a little. Whether it's donating to a cause you care about, helping out a friend in need, or volunteering your time, giving creates a flow of abundance. And it's not just about money, it's about energy. The more good you put out into the world, the more it finds its way back to you. So in conclusion, securing the bag in 2025 isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional. It's about making small, consistent moves that add up over time. So here's your challenge. Drop a comment and tell me one financial goal you're setting for the new year. Let's hold each other accountable because we are in this together. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications because we're just getting started. Next up, we're talking about decluttering your life to make room for blessings. Until then, stay glowing and thriving, sis.